back seat, little boy.
Hey, your sister looking for you.
Why you pour water on
She
her?
like right in the front right.
Can we go get her sister?
No, my mama coming to get no.
Mama, can
Oh, her sister coming. Her sister up here.
Yeah,
we
but
drive
she
to the
stay
front real
after
fast
school.
to drop off.
Don't drive.
Gerard, get in the car.
Can we please go?
I just want to say, hey, I love your sister. She's my sister too. Man, Gerard childish. I don't like our PP on.
Get in the car. What are you doing?
Can we?
Oh my God, I have to go. Like,
Bro, this is. Gerard, I don't like you. My shirt wet.
why are you walking? Where y'all going? What are you doing? He finna get a whooping.
What happened?
You touched the wrong button and didn't nobody tell you to. Your retarded self. Gerard, get in the car. What are you doing?
You're like a faggot. You ugly.
Gerard, I'm finna go home. It's hot.
Check up there.
Who he looking for?
Sydney.
Who is Sydney?
Her sister.
Cause already.
His walk though.
Happy with her ever since we were
Look at that walk. Gerard, I'm
Get
finna
in
go.
the car, you rat.
Goodbye.
Drive, I'm just like, drive.
You gonna make me hit this van. Get in the car, I'm finna go.
Can you get in the car?
Come on.
You get
Bro,
out
get
the
in
front.
car.
Out, let's go.
Get in the. Stop. Go get in the back seat. I'm gonna try to show my panties.
There's really no.
Get out. People looking at you.